Hello guys, we are making gizzard with spaghetti. Here I have my gizzard already cooked. I'll go ahead and slice it and set aside. In a clean pan, add your oil, allow to hot, and then add your gizzard and fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our gizzard is well fried, I will take it out of the oil and set aside. In that same pan, I will add my chopped onions and mince, add my fresh pepper and stir everything together. Add garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, thyme, and stir everything together. I will add my mushrooms and stir this together. I will add my tomatoes and stir this as well. Cover to cook for 2 to 5 minutes and then open up my pan and stir this together. I will reintroduce my fried gizzard and stir everything together. I will add my Maggi to taste. On the other hand, I will be cooking my spaghetti. I will cook this for 7 minutes or cook until tender. After 7 minutes, our pasta is well cooked. I will sieve it and add it to our sauce and then stir everything together. I will go ahead to add the green bell pepper and then stir everything together. Our spaghetti is ready.